Hello, and welcome to this guided meditation on deep mindfulness for spiritual healing and connecting with the universe. In this video, we'll explore how you can use the power of meditation to tap into your inner wisdom, find peace, and connect with the universe on a deeper level. So, find a comfortable and quiet place where you won't be disturbed, and let's get started. To begin, find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths, inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. Allow yourself to relax and let go of any tension or worries. Now, focus your attention on your breath. Observe how the air enters and leaves your body, and how your chest rises and falls with each breath. Let your breath be your anchor, your point of focus that keeps you present and centered. As you continue to breathe, allow your awareness to expand beyond your body and into the universe. Imagine that you're part of a vast and infinite cosmos, where everything is interconnected and interdependent. Visualize yourself as a small but essential piece of this greater whole, like a single cell in a vast organism. Allow yourself to feel the unity and interconnectedness of all things, and feel yourself becoming one with the universe. As you continue to breathe, imagine that you're surrounded by a warm and loving energy, a force that connects and supports all life. Allow this energy to flow through you, filling you with love, light, and healing. As you breathe in, imagine that you're inhaling this energy, and as you breathe out, imagine that you're releasing any negative emotions, thoughts, or energies that no longer serve you. Let go of any fear, anger, or pain, and allow yourself to be fully present at the moment. Take a few more deep breaths, and with each exhale, feel yourself becoming more relaxed, more at peace, and more connected with the universe. As we come to the end of this meditation, take a moment to express gratitude for this experience, for yourself, and the universe. Know that you can return to this place of inner peace and connection whenever you need it, simply by closing your eyes and breathing. Thank you for joining me in this deep mindfulness meditation for spiritual healing and connecting with the universe. I hope this practice has brought you peace, clarity, and a deeper sense of connection with all that is. Until next time, take care and be well. If you enjoy this content, we invite you to subscribe for more. Let me know how it makes you feel. Thanks again.